rupees 250 is divided equally among a certain number of children. If there were 25 children more, each would receive 50 pies less. Find the number of children. This question says that a certain amount of 250 is divided among a certain number of children. To the original number of children, if 25 children more are added, each child, if 25 children more are added, each child would get 50 pies less. Now we should find the number of children. Let's see how to do it. Solution. Amount to be distributed is equal to rupees 250. Number of children added is equal to 25 children. So each would get 50 pies less. Amount reduced is equal to 50 pies. P means pies. So now let's see how much amount each child will get before the 25 children were added. Before 25 members have joined. It would be what is the amount that each child means we should do division. We are dividing 250, right? So it will be 250 by number of children. Let's assume the number of children as x. Let's write it here. Let's assume the number of children as x. So it would be 250, the whole amount, by x. Okay. So now the amount that let's find the amount that each child would get after 25 members have joined. Amount that each child would get after 25 children have joined. So we assumed the number of children to be x, right? So this same. Let's assume it as x. So it will be 250 by x plus 25 because 25 children were added. X plus 25 because it's after 25 children have joined, it will become the original. What is the original? X. So the original number of children are x. So after 25 members have joined, so it will become x plus 25. So now by the difference of the original and the new number we got is 50 pies. So let's write it how. Yeah, 250 by x minus, because it's reduced, right? So it's the difference. So 250 by x minus 250 by x plus 25 is equal to 50 by 100. It's 50 pies, right? 50 pies can be written as 50 by 100 rupees, right? Sorry, 50 by 100 rupees. So we are now converting 50 pies into rupees. Yeah. So now let's cross multiply and subtract this. 250 into x plus 25 minus 250 into x by x into x plus 25. Now what we have done is we have multiplied this both and we have subtracted the product of these both with this, and we have we have done the product of this. Okay, it's 250. We have multiplied this 250 into x plus 25, and as there is minus sign here, we have subtracted it also. We have subtracted it here. So again this diagonal. So it's 250 into x by the we have to multiply the denominators by x. So is equal to 0 and 0 can be cancelled, and 5 by 10 can be written as half, or you can directly write it as 50 pies is a half rupee. Yeah. Now let's solve this. 250. We should multiply 250 with x plus 25. So it will be 250x plus, what is 250 into 25? It's 6250. So plus 6250 minus, now we have to multiply 250 and x. So what is 250 into x? It's 250x by, we have to multiply x with this whole. Yeah. What is x into x? It's x square. Plus, now we have to multiply x with this 25. 25 into x is nothing but 25x, right? So let's write it the same here. Is equal to, we should write this half as usual. Half. Now if you observe in this numerator, two terms can be cancelled, this and this. Why? Here it's a positive sign and here it's a negative sign. So if we assume 1 minus 1, it's 0. 2 minus 2, it's 0. So 250x minus 250x, it will be 0. So we can simply cancel it off. Okay, what's the remaining? 6250 by x square by 25x is equal to half. Okay, now what we should do is we should cross multiply it. This with this, this with this. We have to cross multiply again. So first this 6250 with 2. 6250 into 2 is equal to, now this 1 into x square plus 25. 1 into x square plus 25. Now what is 2 into 6250? It's 12,500 is equal to 1 into anything is 1, right? So x square plus 25. Now let's transpose, means let's bring all the terms to one side and let's make the other side as 0. So I am bringing this 12,500 this side, so it will become x square, or else wait, 0, it will become 0, right? So this has gone this side, so there is nothing here, so it will become 0. So 0 equal to x square plus 25. Here it's positive sign, so it will become negative. So it will become, 1 second, it's 25x, right? We forgot to write x here, so it's x. Okay, sorry for the mistake. 0 is equal to x square plus 25x minus 12,500. Okay, so we can reverse it like this, like x square plus 25x minus 12,500 equal to 0. Both are the same, so we are, for our convenience, we are bringing whole this side. Okay, now we have to factorize it. How can we factorize? See, let's see what we have to factorize this 25 here. So let's see, 125 into 100, what is it? 12,500. So this is needed to factorize this 25. So let's factorize it. X square plus 125x minus 100x minus 12,500 equal to 0. So let's take x common. X plus 125 minus, let's take 100 as common. X plus 125 is remaining, which is equal to 0. So let's take x plus 125 as common again, and x minus 100, which is equal to 0. So x plus 125 equal to 0 and x minus 100 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 125 because there's positive sign here. If it goes this side, it will become negative sign. And the same here, x is equal to positive 100 because there is plus sign here. So if it is transposed, it will, sorry, there is minus sign here, so if it is transposed, it will become plus. Now the number of children can be negative, right? So this cannot be the answer. This minus 125 cannot be the answer. Reason, number of children can't be negative. Minus 125, let's change the color. Minus 125 can't be the answer because number of children cannot be negative. So the number of children, so the answer is the number of children, the total number of children x is equal to 100 members. Thank you.